take a look at this. I'm about to pilot this beautiful 600RR. I believe that's what they call it, but it's just the the Polaris race sled. There's no cross sled. It is a trip. Yeah, watch. I get on it here and I try to bounce. This got nothing. It's so stiff. Oh, it's so stiff. It's insanely stiff. I think it's got a pretty high engagement. Oh! We get to this lake, they all start doing donuts. Is 87. That's it. Mix it with some av gas, I guess. Group rippers today. This is only a small part of the crew. It's pretty neat. It seems like half the town comes out every time we want to ride, which is pretty fun. We got Smasher here back on that 2012 Pro RMK. We got this Yamaha out here, 4-stroke, all of its goodness. Brand new assaults written by 16-year-olds. That's the XCR I was on yesterday. We've got the old owner on it now, or I should say the old owner, but the owner. Just gonna see him do some ripping today. All right, let's leave this gas station and out into the mountains we go, man. Road straight, the sled straight from the house to the gas station, which was pretty sweet. Real good Midwest vibes. Here's our crew. Now we're gonna head out, man. Head on out. You ready to be out there? Yeah, a couple more years, man. This is what it seems like in Alaska. You got the kiddos down here jumping. And you've got mom, dad, big brother, big sister. If you're watching on the hill, it's pretty cool. This guy's name is Owen. Met him yesterday to high school. He came out to ride today. On the XLT.
Old
Yeah, Owen. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I think it's got it.
We've got Alaskan salmon.
Oh, you missed it.
The pilot bread.
Bert made us a fire.
Yeah, we got a quick makeshift Alaskan fire. Just grab one of those. Just pop it on down.
Cold, don't you think, Ben? A little bit of Tundra.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool, huh?
It's very cool.
I remember being a kid. And there'd be such a lack of snow, it would be just like this for miles and miles. Couldn't go fast, you'd just be riding over these huge clumps of tundra, just slow as hell.
Oh.
Just miserable.
This is Alaska life right here. That child on there is 4 years old. And he's been out here with us all day long. All day. Hasn't complained once. Name me another 4-year-old that can do that. Oh, okay. Woo! Woo! We're boogieing. That 4-year-old boogie. Oh man, it is dangerous out here, folks. Glad I got that on camera. Imagine hitting that at 100.
I saw you hit that.
Oh my God.
Oh, that would have hurt.
Check it out, we're just riding on ice. Just straight up on some ice like it was the Midwest. I gotta try to keep it here on this little patch of snow. If you get off to the side, it's just ice and you just slip. And you can't go too fast, because there's drifts and bumps and all kinds of crap that you can't see. And I can't really see it either. We just rolled back at the bird's place. I didn't even know we were so close to home coming across that lake. What was that?
That is a rough riding mother.
Oh,
Holy,
yeah, it is.
holy, I don't know how he does it.
It's probably, I know the little kid.
I was trying to like tip it over.
No. You gotta hit those bumps.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at that. We went in the backcountry with all these kids here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
2 people left.
No, 15. 15 people in, 15 people out.
What's up?
You guys, this is Vaughn. Vaughn let me pilot his beautiful machines this last day. Vaughn, how old are you?
Well,
He's 12 years old, folks. He's piloting a full-blown race machine.
Two of them.
Two of them. That's right. He's the XC, the Edge X we rode today was his other one. Another beautiful race machine. Chris says he pretty much rallied that. Look at this big mama. Oh, the big mama. Oh, the big mama. Look how big she is compared to the Red Bull can. Her head is huge. Oh, mama. Oh, pretty lady. Oh.